Starfish, also known as sea stars, are fascinating marine creatures that captivate beachgoers worldwide. These five-armed, radially symmetrical creatures are not actually fish, but belong to the class Asteroidea. Starfish have a unique body structure. Instead of a head, they have a central disc and five arms that can be used for locomotion, feeding, and defense. The disc contains the starfish's internal organs, including its digestive system, reproductive system, and nervous system. The starfish's ability to move is quite intriguing. They do not have a traditional muscular system like us. Instead, they move by extending and retracting the tube feet on their arms. These tube feet are lined with suction cups that help the starfish cling to the seafloor or move across it. Starfish are known for their voracious appetite. They are opportunistic feeders, eating clams, mussels, sea urchins, and even small fish. They use their powerful, tooth-like structures called Aristotle's lantern to crush and digest their food. One of the most fascinating aspects of starfish is their regeneration ability. If a starfish loses an arm, it can grow a new one. In some species, if a starfish is cut in half, each half can grow into a new individual. This incredible ability has led to scientific studies on starfish cells and regeneration processes. Starfish also play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. They help control the population of sea urchins, which can overgraze and disrupt the seafloor. By eating sea urchins, starfish help preserve kelp forests and other important marine habitats. In recent years, the starfish population has been declining due to warmer ocean temperatures, sea star wasting disease, and pollution. This decline has raised concerns about the impact on marine ecosystems and the loss of these fascinating creatures. The starfish's unique body structure, feeding habits, and regeneration abilities make them a fascinating subject for scientific study. Their role in maintaining marine ecosystems highlights the importance of conservation efforts to protect these amazing marine creatures. So, the next time you spot a starfish on the beach, take a moment to appreciate this intriguing sea creature.